Very good morning, children. Now, today we will study our EVS chapter number 3. What my body parts do for me. See, children, we have, and you all are having so many beautiful body parts, right, children? Many parts of our body move together when we play or work, which we can use in our daily life. We are helping with our body parts. Body part help us to move, to do work, right? Each part work is very special way. See, we are having neck. In the first picture, blue wear t-shirt man having good neck, so he turned his neck backward to see. It is written here, my neck helps me to move my head. My neck helps me to look around. So to move from one side to another side, upside to downside, the neck help us. Similarly, mouth. The second one, my mouth help me to talk. As I am talking with you, I am explaining this chapter to you. So, this help me to talk. Mouth help me to eat also. See in the next picture, side by side, my mouth help me to eat. Right, children? Even we can drink water through our mouth. Now come to the next page. Arms, hand and fingers. See, children, this is the picture of the hand, arm and fingers, right? So in the very first box, there is they help me to write. They help me to write. We can hold the pencil and we can write. They help me to make things. We are making pot, we are making clay toys, right? So they are helping me. They help me to hold things, to carry the things, to take the things into our hand. They are helping us. They help me to lift things. Just like the picture, we can carry the bags of vegetable or our shopping bags or our school bag. They help us. They help me to throw things. Just like this ball, we can throw things through our hand. They help me to pull. Yes, they help us to pull the door of the window also. Now come to the next page. Leg and feet. See, children, if one feet is there, okay, then we will say it foot, F-O-O-T. But we are having two legs we are having, right? With that we are having 2 feet. So we will say it feet, not foot, okay? They help me to stand. See in this picture, very first picture, they are standing. They help me to walk. They help me to run. They help me to kick. They help me to skip. They help me to dance also. So children, our leg, our feet help us to do all this work. Many part of our body work together. Together we are doing lot of things, right? We can see in this picture, one boy is batting, right? He is playing cricket. I am batting. So this position, he is standing, he is moving his leg, he is moving his neck, he is moving his hand. Right, children? In the second one, I am bowling. So after the run, the boy is throwing the ball with hand. Running help us with our legs, right? And the third picture, I am catching a ball. See, children, there the boy is catching that ball. He jumped, he fly over, and he is holding his hand for the ball, and he's turning also there his neck. Right, children? Now come to the next page. We are also having 5 sense organ. It is very important. How do you know about these things? Right. I have 5 way to know about a things. हम इसमें 5 तरीके से समझ सकते हैं. इसको कैसे समझेंगे? और ये वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग है. आपको ये चीज़ लर्न भी करनी है. These 5 parts of our body are called sense organ. I see with my eyes. See, one boy is there. They is flying with the parachute. 2 kite is there. One lady is farming. So we can see through our eyes. आँखों से हम देख सकते हैं. I hear with my ear. So in this, one man is horning the car, then loudspeaker, then music. So we can hear from that through our ear. कान से हम जोर से आवाज़ सुन सकते हैं, म्यूज़िक सुन सकते हैं धीरे से. Now I smell with my nose. See children, if you apply good perfume, you can smell good. If the washroom is not clean, you will not smell good. Right? It will be smelling bad. Right? When you feel cold, you cannot smell anything good or bad because your nose is totally blocked with cold. Right? नाक से हम सूंघ सकते हैं. हम पता लगा सकते हैं ये अच्छी स्मेल है क्या ये बुरी स्मेल है. Next, tongue. I taste with my tongue. Yes, children, it is very helpful that we can taste from our tongue. The cold ice cream, the hot soup, the tasty paneer ki sabji, right? Even with fruits also. So we can taste through our tongue. Now come next point, next page, the last one. I feel with my skin that to touch. Yes, this is hot, this is cold, this is hard, this is rough, this is pointed one. I can feel that. I feel a hot or cold thing. I feel a hard or soft thing. I feel the rough or smooth thing. These five parts of our body are called sense organ. The 5 sense organ are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Children, this is our chapter number 3 that which we have completed. Now our exercise part. This is the filling the blanks. I am reading for you. The first blank, I can dash Ludo with my hand. So we are playing the game. So we will write it play. Second one, I can dash with my legs. So through legs we can run. Third one, I can dash with my mouth. What we can do? We can eat. The fourth one, I can dash my head with my neck. So what we can do? We can move to C. Right, children? Fifth one, I can dash with my nose. Yes, we can smell good things or bad things, right? I can dash with my pencil holding in my fingers. So we can hold our pencil and we can write. Okay, children? Now come to the next last exercise. In question number 2, we have to circle the sense organ. So I have done for you eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. I have already done. Now which sense organ help us to do the following things? Right, children? Here we have to see. The fruit is red. So through the eyes we can see. But the food is not sweet, so we can taste it and we can feel that. Please go outside and see who is pressing our call bell. So through ear we can hear. Yes, some noise is coming, so we can hear that. Fourth one. She must have used too much perfume on her dress. So through nose we can smell it, right? So through nose we will write. This is very hard. I am not able to break it. So you can feel, you can touch that and you can feel that. So we will write skin. Who is singing in the next room? So we can hear that. So through the ears we can hear. We will write ear. Oh, the thief is running away. So we have seen ना, हमने देख लिया कि चोर भाग रहा है. So we have to write eye. Now matching. Yes children, through eyes see the picture and hear the ear, smell, nose, taste, tongue, feel, skin. This you have to learn and understand properly. Thank you children.